Okay, so hi people. I have a cold today, and it's like, yeah. I'm sorry for my voice. Today we're going to play, will you press the button? Yay. Okay, so I really know. Yeah, let's just play it. You know, every language in the world, but you become mute. Okay, so like it work out like this. You press I will not if you don't want to do that. And if you want to, you press the button. My gosh. Seriously, but can you use what's the name of it? You know, what is the name of that? Wait, what? I'm so confused. I think you understand what I'm like trying to say, but I don't know the name of it. Seriously, my head is like empty. It's like I can't. I just can't. Like what the fuck? Um what? What? Um I can't. I'm so what? Wait. Sign language. Seriously. Wait, no, I remembered. Thank you. Seriously, how could I? Oh my god. Can you use like sign language? Because then I would. Because I'm like, yeah. I don't know. Let's press it. What? Seriously? What? Okay. Um, everything you say will come true, but you will get the opposite of what you say. Whoa. Okay. Um, so in that case, you like need to think about what you say and say the opposite of what you want. Because if you say the wrong thing, the wrong things will happen. Oh my gosh. I mean, really, let's just press the freaking button. Yeah. we can take it. Good. You have the world's best webcam, which makes 2D images 3D and has surround sound, but you can only use it on Amigo while America is awake. What? What? Oh, I don't really I don't really know. I'm confused. I'm confused of what it means too. And like I'm tired and I'm confused. I'll just press the button again. It's bad. You will have fun pressing the button. It may cause a nuclear apocalypse. Press the button. Lol. All of your friends and family would achieve their hopes and their dreams, but you would die. I want my friends to be happy, so I'll press the button. Because I'm nice. You get all of Batman's gadgets, but Batman kills your parents and your dog. I don't have a dog. I'm sorry. um, uh, I don't know. It's Batman, so I don't care. Batman is bae. I'm bad. You can have anything you want in the world, but you have no emotion and an ambition and motivation in you. You can never get them back. Oh, well. I don't really know. Nah, I will not. I don't need anything I want, everything I want. It's okay. You can have great sex with whoever you want, whenever you want. But every time you orgasm, you get a flashing image of your parents. Oh my gosh. No. Oh my, no. Ugh. Ugh. That's just disgusting. No, I will not. Good. You can be a and sexually impotent and incompetent. I don't really know how to pronounce that. What is that? And racist. But you can get hired to any job you want. Yeah. What? What the fuck? No, I will not. That was just weird. What the fuck? You can cook as well as a 5-star chef, but you lose your sense of taste. Oh no, that would be quite horrible. But I don't taste very well because I can breathe through my nose, so it wouldn't be that bad because it's already like that. It's okay. You get a job that pays 10,000, what is that, dollars an hour. Your job is to eat shit from public toilets, and it's 3 hours a day by day 5 days a week. um well, no, I wait. It's quite much money. It's I really know. Job person? No, I will not. No. It's much money, but no, I wouldn't do that. You will be part of your sexual fantasy, but as the other person. What? What the fuck? Oh my god, no. No. What? What? What the Isn't that just weird? What? Okay, I'll press it. I pressed it. I press it. Oh my gosh. You have unlimited superpowers, but you can never find happiness. Oh, no, I will not. I want to be happy. I want to be happy. Happy is good. Happy is good for you. Happy is good. You will have X-ray vision and will be able to look through people's clothing, but you can't control it. Anyone you look at will be nude. Whoa. My gosh. Okay, I don't really mind, but yeah, I really mind. Why not? You will have the greatest desktop in the world, and it modifies itself to be more advanced as time goes on. But this is the only desktop electronic you will have. No smartphones, MP3 players, laptops, etc. Oh no. Well, well, I don't really know. No, no, no. It will no, just no. Oh my gosh. If you press this button, you will instantly be reborn in any fictional world you choose. Anime, superhero, sci-fi, etc. Wait. While you I can't speak today. While you retain your memories, being reborn means that you will not be the main character, may never meet that character, and you have no control over what race, creed, sex you are. It is random. Wait, being reborn means that you will not be the main character, may never meet that character, and you have no control over what race. Well, I don't really care. We press the button. Press the god freaking button. Come on. You can see through clothes and see anyone naked. Ooh. But everyone knows whose ass, penis, vagina, or boobs you're staring at. Oh my gosh, no. Oh, well. Well, I'll press the button. I'll press it. J.K. Rowling. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong, guys. Will write another great book, but then she's forced to work with Stephanie Meyer and be forced to read all the disgusting fan fiction. Well. What? I don't know. What would I care? I don't really. What? What would I care about her? Her. You have free internet and unlimited data. Data. What? Wherever you go. But your device will become how do you pronounce that? What? For the amount of time you used it directly afterwards. Well, no, I will not. I really know. You can travel to any planet you want to go to at any time at the speed of light, but you will never meet the love of your life. Oh, well, that's kind of sad, actually, but I don't do that. I don't do like relationships and stuff, and I already met my love of my life, the love of my life, so I really I've already done that, so I guess I don't know. Shall I press it? Shall I not? Shall I press it? Shall I not? Make a new song. I'll press it. Why not? I know. I'll press it. Okay, gain $1 million right here and right now. But had to kill 2 people before gaining anything. Okay, I'll press the button. No big deal. Everything you wish for always comes true for the rest of your life, or eternity if you ask to be immortal. But you can never undo your wish, even if it were accidental, like wishing someone dead out of anger. Okay, I'll press the button. At any time, change the body of your romantic partner to your preference, and they will not mind, but they change your body to that of their preference. I wouldn't want to change her or him, like his body. No. I wouldn't want to do that. Okay, all your dreams come true, but you spend the rest of your life asleep. Well, what? You mean like dead or just sleeping? Like my heart is like working and stuff, but I'm just sleeping. What? That's just weird. Isn't that just like in coma or something? Like what? I wouldn't want that. I'd rather be dead. I really know that's just weird. What the fuck? But I'll press the button. I'll press it. You can control time, but it's limited to 10 minutes, and you have to wait a month to use it again. What? I will not. Bad. You get infinite money, but your favorite shape / color combination is blue triangles. What does that mean? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Wait. Well, shall I press it? Shall I not? Shall I press it? Shall I not? Shall I press it? Shall I? Don't ask. I know. Why is this so hard? Fuck. I don't know. I'll press the button. It's okay. Oh. You can fly and your body can sustain falls from great heights. You must kill your family. Is this supposed to like is friends? Friends? The fuck? Friends. You must kill your family, friends, pets, and sell everything you own. You will also need to pleasure random people at the end of the day based on how many times you used the power that day. What? Shall I press it? Shall I not? Shall I press it? Shall I not? Shall I press it? Shall I not? I'll press it. I don't know. You'll get any book you want for free instantly, but one random chapter, one random chapter in each book will be missing, and you won't ever be able to. Why can't I pronounce that? Never ever be able to read it. No. I don't even like books. Have the most intense, best feeling orgasm ever, but it could happen at any point in your life between now and your death. Well, I don't even know. I'll press the freaking button. You gain the ability to heal anyone on the earth of anything including death, but you become religious. Huh. No. I don't really care. Okay. Oh my god, I'm tired. What the fuck? Oh my god. What the fuck? You become a wizard of great power. Oh my gosh, that would be awesome. But you lose your sexual organ. No, I will not. No, that's a no. That's like the only thing I disagree for. Okay, you marry your dream partner, soulmate if you will. But at the end of every month, they forget who you are. Therefore, you have to explain your whole relationship over and over. Like amnesia or something like, well, I have amnesia, so I don't know. I really mind. You can enter the Pokemon world and cross between it and your world forever, but you must travel with Ash. Ah, I really like Pokemon. Pokemon sucks. I'm sorry, guys, but it totally sucks. I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. You can get any game a month before the release, but you can't play online. Ooh. Well, I don't know. Press the button. I don't really care. Like, I don't know. Just press the freaking button. Okay. That was good. I remember. Understand all truth of universe, but can never talk to others again. Shall I press it? Shall I not? 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 Don't ask. Okay, just don't. I'll not press it this time. Yeah. Good. Gabe Newell lovingly saying it. What? For the free will never be released. Okay, I will. You will become immortal, but every time you look in the mirror, there will be a monster behind you. And if you look behind you while standing in front of the mirror, you will be ripped apart piece by piece. What? But does an immortal means that I can't die? Or what? Then, like, what? I'm so confused, but yeah, I really don't know. I'm just pressing everything. I don't care. Your favorite YouTuber becomes more popular, but annoying fangirls and fanboys will appear and make the fandom look bad. Ah, no. No, I can't do that. I can't do that. No, I can't do that. Infinite wealth, love and health, but uncontrollable bowel and bladder. I'm just pressing something. I know. I'm just pressing. You will become the best at a skill of your choice, but everything will hate you for it. Everything. What? How did I get that to everything? I mean everyone. But everyone will hate you for it, even your family and friends. Oh. No. I don't want my family and friends to hate me. No. But they will be dead because Batman killed them. So it doesn't really matter, but oh, sorry. You conjure a hamburger out of thin air every time you clap, but you gain 1 pound of weight every time you clap. Is 1 pound much? How much is 1 pound? Every time you clap. I know. I really know. You get unlimited free video games, but your consoles crumble to dust the second you touch them. What? Why would I want like unlimited free games when I can't play them? Like, what? No. With the push of this button, you become the richest person on the planet. but you will lose your vision in a freak ice skating accident. What? I really care. I'm like part blind in my left eye, so it's already like, I don't know, bad. Pressing the button will grant you and your family financial security for life or eternity. But you will die a terrible death, and everyone you know will know of your death. I don't know. You instantly own 15 trillion US dollars, but your mother steals $1,500 to have you assassinated once you are about buy ice cream on Tuesday with your ex-girlfriend. What? No, no, thank you. No, wait. I'm sorry, asthma. You become immortal, but you won't feel the happiness of life. Again, no, thank you. You will receive a lifetime supply of meals from your favorite restaurant, but you will lose your sense of taste and smell. Well, I don't know. No. Okay, last one. You can beam sounds and images into the mind of anybody you have a direct line of sight to, but you can only use this ability while speaking in French, so everyone knows it's you. What? So everyone will know it's you. Well, it's I really know. Isn't it like worthless? Then if everyone knows it's me, why would I use it? Like, well, let's just do it. Okay, sorry, people. That was it for today. Yeah, this like got a little longer than expecting, but well, I don't really care. No, but yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please comment down below of what you thought of this video, and if you have like any requests or something that you want me to play like that. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Have a great day or night, or yeah, and stay fat, people.